Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. In this edition of The Crap I See. So you see an outlet with a hose bib. Now the outlet at the bottom is a GFI. So it is the correct outlet, but why would anybody put an outlet underneath water? It should be the other way around. So any water that comes off the hose can potentially spill onto your outlet. This is simple common sense. Why they would have done this, I have no idea, but based on everything else that I see with this place, this is just a lack of common sense. Is it safe? Maybe, but there's just no reason to do something like this. So what I would have done was this outlet here, I would have had it higher up, and then I would have had it farther over. Or if you have to be within this small area, have the outlet at the top and then have your hose at the bottom. So whenever you disconnect your hose, or if you leave your hose bib here not quite turned off, any water splashing is not going to hit your outlets. This is a simple thing, but this place did pass inspection, so this is all technically done to code. It's just very poorly done. Guys, that concludes this edition of The Crap I See.